Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2012 government past question. Question number 27. 27 says the French colonial system was underlined by the policy of dash. The French colonial system was underlined by the policy of dash. It means the focus center of French policy was on dash. So option A say assimilation, B say paternalism, C say socialism, D say indirect. The French policy during colonialism centers on assimilation. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.